Focus.
Hey there, fellow riders. This is Brent from My50, and I have some exciting news for you. If you're a fan of 50cc motorcycles, mopeds, or scooters, you're going to love what I've got in store. Introducing My50.com, your one-stop destination for free downloadable workshop manuals. Yes, you heard it right, free. Are you tired of searching high and low for the right manual to keep your ride in top-notch condition? Look no further. My50.com has an extensive collection of workshop manuals and parts manuals for mopeds and scooters, carefully curated just for you. Why pay for what you can get for free? At My50.com, we believe in empowering riders like you. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting on your two-wheeled adventure, we've got the manuals you need to unleash the full potential of your machine. Worried about compatibility? Fear not. Our manuals cover a wide range of 50cc motorcycles, mopeds, and scooters. From routine maintenance to more intricate repairs, we've got you covered. Now here's the best part. It's as easy as pie. Just head over to My50.com, hit the Workshop tab to get to our selection of workshop manuals, and download your manual. No credit card is needed, it's free. But wait, there's more. Like and subscribe to our channel for regular updates, exclusive content, and even more fantastic giveaways. We're building a community of riders who share the same passion, and we want you to be part of it. So, what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description or type My50.com directly into your browser and let the manual magic begin. My50.com, where every ride deserves the perfect manual. Happy riding, everyone.